Toasteroid, a new kind of toaster that brings family and friends closer together. When was the last time you were this excited for breakfast? Probably when you were her age, or probably never. Look at those smiles. Has your breakfast ever been so enjoyable? With Toasteroid, she can design anything she wants on her toast while you're stuck with the same old boring piece of blah. Her mornings look magical while she waits in excitement for that golden brown crunch. So, how do we do it? Inside Toasteroid's innovative and minimal design, the smart toasting system is powered by microfilament heating technology, but it can do so much more. Let your toast speak your mind with a smiley face or a like. Send a message to that special someone for a surprise. A superhero toast might be exactly what you need to power through the day. Each pop of toast is a surprise. There's excitement in every pop. Take a look at Tom. We can toast the latest weather forecast and other useful information anywhere in the world. Whether he's in London or Tokyo or anywhere in between, Toasteroid's got him covered, so he's ready for the day's challenges. What is more exhilarating than a morning message from your loved ones? How about a Toastitch? Secret messages that are only readable on toast, so the secret stays with you forever. It's the perfect way to stay connected with your loved ones, wherever they may be. This is the beginning of the Toasteroid journey. Unique, creative, and interactive. Help us kickstart your mornings with Toasteroid.
The most germs-infested objects in your home are your towels. As we reuse them, they retain moisture, allowing bacteria to breathe. Why not use paper towels? According to the Rainforest Action Network, that's not exactly the best alternative. How about these? But wait, that wouldn't work in my home unless... Stop using bacteria-infested rags and help save the environment. Introducing Home Dry. Have you ever wondered why you've never seen a hand dryer in someone's home? Maybe you thought about this, or maybe it never crossed your mind. A group of people from different backgrounds such as business, design, sales, and chemistry got together to build the perfect home hand dryer. We've all seen them before in public restrooms, but they're bulky, they're loud, and very expensive. It took dozens of concepts and prototypes, hundreds of experimental simulations, thousands of hours of craftsmanship, and an infinite amount of patience to bring you Home Dry. A cordless, beautifully designed, compact, and affordable bathroom and kitchen home hand dryer. Home Dry is not only environmentally friendly, it has a built-in patented blue UV light to kill bacteria that even soap can't get to. Hands-free with a rechargeable battery and wall-mountable, Home Dry will change your everyday life at home. Home Dry's industrial motor pumps out heated HEPA filtered air at 2 times the speed than a traditional hand dryer. Thus, we bring you an industrial product small enough for your home that dries your hands in 14 seconds. Home Dry's rechargeable battery lasts 1,920 sessions and on the average 480 days. The removable base doubles as an extra battery and charging port. An LED battery indicator shows you when battery needs to be charged. When mounted on the wall, simply plug in and use while charging or remove the battery and charge separately. We are so confident about what we have created and are excited to bring Home Dry to market. Please help us reach our goal so we can afford to produce Home Dry at an affordable price for everyone.
We've entered the age of personal manufacturing, but when it comes to making durable things in your own shop, there's still no easy way to cut hard materials.
As makers and engineers, we need to work with all materials, so we built a machine that could, the first desktop water jet.
Wazer works by combining abrasive particles with a high-pressure water stream. The mixture exits the nozzle and cuts through the workpiece.
It's great for any workshop. It cuts every material, it's compact and contained, and it's digital, so you can make precise cuts that are impossible to make any other way.
As an industrial designer, I've used a variety of desktop fabrication tools, but they tend to be very limited by the durability of the materials you can use on those machines. With a desktop water jet, we can go from design to component to fitting that component and testing within a couple of hours. That's an incredibly powerful tool.
As a jeweler and an artist, with the work I make, I spend a lot of time hand cutting. So right now I'm selling pieces sort of as almost limited edition because I can't physically output them, not because I want to be making in a limited edition. Wazer would allow me to not only make a lot more, but also to lower the price point so they'd be available to a broader audience.
I think, people tend to have their ideas constrained by their tools and the things they're capable of working with. And having a water jet cutter, which has the ability to cut a broader range of materials, hard materials like steel and glass, will be enabling and make them think in different ways and have them build different things they couldn't build before.
The future of manufacturing is in custom local fabrication. People will be able to make things in their own workshop that they can use every single day and will last a lifetime.
As mechanical, electrical, and manufacturing engineers, we've designed products, manufactured components, and set up assembly lines in the past.
Now we're preparing for production, but we need enough orders to produce the machines cost effectively.
We've created a unique desktop tool, and we're really looking forward to all the amazing things that people create with it.
Hi, I'm Cara, and this is the Innova Precision Cooker. Before, only top chefs were using this technique, but now precision cooking, or sous vide, allows anyone to achieve restaurant quality results. Precision cooked food is delicious, moist, tender, and it's so easy to use. Just set it and walk away. It also connects with an iPhone app, allowing you to achieve delicious results with just press of a button. You've had sous vide cooking before. Virtually every high-end restaurant uses this technique. Just a few years ago, reality chef shows brought this technique into the mainstream. In fact, it's the fastest growing kitchen appliance category. Sous vide is French for under vacuum, but it's a bit of a misnomer because you don't need a vacuum sealer, just Ziploc bags. Precision cooking is all about bringing food to a precise temperature, which is why we're calling it the Innova Precision Cooker. Getting started with the Precision Cooker is so easy, especially when you use the app. Choose what you're cooking. Today, poultry, chicken breast, and then press start. You'll notice the water starts circulating in the pot. That ensures a precise temperature every time. I'm going to put my food inside the Ziploc bag and lower it into the water. Press out the air, seal it, clip it, and walk away. Just that easy. When you cook steak sous vide, the results are moist, juicy, tender. Look how consistently it's cooked, edge to edge. A sous vide poached egg is amazing. The yolk is rich and creamy, almost like a custard or a mousse. When it comes to salmon, the consistency is so delicious. It's very creamy almost, not flaky like a traditionally cooked piece of salmon. And with the steak, you lose almost 40% of the meat when you cook it traditionally. Not with sous vide. It is tender and moist and consistently cooked edge to edge.
I'm excited to introduce to you one of the most innovative products in the world of water sports in a long time, the Bixby Jet. The Bixby Jet is a mini water propulsion device designed to attach to virtually anything you want to motorize in water. You can attach it to your kayak, you can attach it to your stand-up paddleboard, And if that wasn't enough, we've developed a submersible battery pack that you can attach to your Bixby jet, and at about 5 pounds, you now have the world's first and only portable diver propulsion vehicle. This is going to change the way we interact with our water sports. The possibilities are endless. You can motorize virtually anything. The Bixby jet can push a kayak up to about 7 miles an hour. You can go a lot further, you can fight current, you can fight wind, you can explore places that you weren't able to before. We've built in dozens of features to make this a truly versatile and modular product. Most importantly, we wanted to make sure you can use your existing watercraft. There is no need for you to purchase a new kayak or a new stand-up paddleboard. We've spent the past 18 months working on this amazing product. We've sourced all the parts, we've tested them in every body of water you can imagine. We've been through 11 major iterations of the Bixby jet, and at every turn, we've improved it, we've made it better, we've made it more efficient, and now it's ready for you. With your support, we can produce 500 units, which is the minimum we need to make the Bixbys affordable. Support our campaign and help us bring this amazing product to life. Thank you, and see you on the water.